Okay, so to find the total number of terms in a sequence, as long as we know the first term and the last term, and we have enough information to find the common ratio or the common difference, we can use the general term, the equation for the general term, to solve. So r in this case, 64 over 32, or 128 divided by 64, gives us a common ratio of 2. The last term is going to be my Tn, and then I know my T1 is 32. So if we sub this into the general form, so the general form for geometric is Tn equals T1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so I don't know what number this term is, but I do know that it's the last term. So if I can figure out n, it'll tell me how many total terms there are. So 16,384 equals 32 times my r value of 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now what we can do here is simplify. This is the difference between solving an arithmetic, where we can just do it algebraically, to solving a geometric. Because what I'm solving for is this n, which is part of an exponent. So it's a little trickier at this level. We don't know about logs and powers yet, so we can't necessarily solve it algebraically that easy. But we can simplify it. So 32 times 2 gives me 64 n minus 2. Okay, we could reduce both sides by 2 as well. Okay, and then what we're going to do is enter y1 and y2. So you're going to enter left side, right side, and solve for the intersection points. So my y1 will just be the left-hand side, y2 is the whole right-hand side. The intersection point, the x value at that point, is going to tell me what my n is equal to. So we could simplify this equation further, or you can just go ahead and sub it in. I did simplify it a little bit further already. Okay, so we reduce both sides to 5, 12, and 2. Graph this. Okay, I can see part of a graph. One of them is going to be an exponential graph. The other one's just going to be a straight line, right? Our y1 is just 512. So it's a straight line up there. I hit zoom 0, but we can see that our y max is at 512. So if we just make that a little bit taller, we should be able to see both lines. So if we go up to like 600, now you can clearly see y1, y2, and solve for the intersection. So second trace, number 5. Okay, and we get n equals 10. So what that tells me is that there's 10 total terms here. N or x, same thing, equals 10. So there are 10 terms. So this term here, 16,384, is my 10th term.